Welcome to this week's AI market briefing. We are tracking a significant shift towards innovation and integration across the industry. The headline this week is the shift to physical agents. We are seeing AI leave the chat window and enter the real world in critical operations. In the industrial sector, Microsoft Azure is processing F1 telemetry in real time. That's 1 million data points per second, proving cloud capability in extreme edge scenarios. On the defense front, the Indian Army has deployed hundreds of mule robots for autonomous surveillance, moving robotics from experimental to active duty in high tension zones. In education, we see a divergence. Khan Academy is using Gemini as a Socratic tutor, augmenting learning rather than just providing answers. Contrast that with the future of work. Anthropic's CEO forecasts that AI could handle all coding tasks end to end within the next 6 to 12 months, potentially restructuring IT hiring. For consumers, the multimodal gap is closing. Grok's new video intelligence offers real time visual analysis, bringing vision capable agents into our daily domestic routines. In R&D, DeepMind is integrating time into machine vision. This 4D spatial intelligence is a critical bottleneck for deploying safe robots in unpredictable human environments. And in creative media, Google Veo is demonstrating a balanced approach. They are positioning their AI filmmaking tools as co pilots to empower creators, not replace them. The strategic outlook is clear. We are in the era of active intelligence. The focus has shifted from raw model capability to finding the right workflow fit. Organizations must now navigate the balance between full automation and human augmentation. That's your briefing for the week of January 28th.